So it's completely feeling so lit and so bright, right? So I thought I'll take you to the tree house, and on my way, I'm going to keep meeting these cuties. This one needs a haircut, which is partially pending. So let's just walk to this tree house, and that's the entrance. There we go. That's what it looks like. I've been wanting to visit a tree house since a couple of years. I think ever since I worked for an environmental organization, but maybe now's the time. There you go. I have visited tree houses in the past, but looks like I like this one too.